Quick reading for January the 15th to January the 16th is Scorpio. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Six of Swords. Meron ditong bigla na lang nag-surrender, no? Parang ginawa ko naman lahat ng chance, no? Or lahat ng aking options to make things work. Whether this is sa relasyon, sa finances, or sa specific situation, pero parang sinabi wala maalat talaga, no? Hindi sa binitawan ko na. I just surrendered in a way na baka dadating din yung time na aayon sa akin yung panahon. So, I set this aside, hindi dahil ayoko na. Actually, gusto ko pa eh. Mag-aantay lang ako ng tamang timing, mag-aantay lang ako ng tamang panahon para simulan siya uli. Pero for now, since this is not working at this time, I think it's much better for me to look, no, sa ibang options or ibang pwede kong pagkaabalahan. So, babalikan ko yan, hindi nangangahulugang ayaw ko na. So steady lang, no, babalik ako, but I need to do something first. So this is your quick reading. Scorpio, no, for January the 15th to January the 16th.
Predicting future is my purpose.